Hello friends, welcome to How to Do It. Today I will show you how to bold your text in your HTML. So how you can bold. Today I will just show you. Alright. So if I open this is the hello world text. Alright. This is the H1. I just use P paragraph text. If you see, this is the not bold. But if you want to bold, then you can just use B tag. You can bold with CSS and HTML tag. Now I'll show you with only HTML tag. So if you want to bold it, you can just use B tag. All right. Now you can your content based on inside the B tag. I think you can understand. Now I'll see on your browser. I think you see the this is the bold and this is the without bold. So that's it. It is the pretty easy and you can do according to my guideline. And please comment and like on this video. If you face any problem, just comment. Thank you. Bye bye.